In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a promotional pop-up on your Squarespace website. Pop-ups are a great way to capture your audience's attention, whether you're announcing a sale, promoting an event, or encouraging visitors to sign up for your newsletter. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up and customize a pop-up that fits your website style and delivers your message effectively. Let's get started. First, head over to the Squarespace website and log into your account. If your account is linked to Google, you can also choose the Continue with Google option for a quicker login. Once you're in, you'll land on your Squarespace dashboard. Here, click on the website you want to edit. This will take you into that site's management interface. Next, look at the menu on the left-hand side. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Pages and click on it. This is where you'll access all the tools needed to manage and organize your site. From here, navigate to the Website Tools section and select Promotional Pop-up. Now that you're in the promotional pop-up settings, the first thing you need to do is activate the pop-up. To do this, simply turn on the display toggle switch. This step ensures your pop-up will be visible to visitors when they land on your site. Without activating this, the pop-up won't show at all, so don't skip this step. Once the toggle is switched on, look for the Save button, which is typically located in the top left corner of the screen. Click on it to confirm and apply these changes. Saving regularly is a good habit when working on your site, as it ensures none of your updates are lost. Next up, let's customize the layout of your pop-up. Click on the Change Layout option. Squarespace offers a variety of layouts, so take a moment to browse through the options. Choose one that matches the overall design and aesthetic of your website. For example, if your site has a modern minimalistic theme, select a clean and simple pop-up layout. This step is important because the right layout can enhance the user experience and make your message more visually appealing. After selecting a layout, it's time to edit the content of your pop-up. This is where you can really make it your own. Add a headline that grabs attention. Include supporting text that clearly communicates your offer or message. And don't forget to adjust the font styles to align with your brand. You can also insert links, such as a call to action button that directs visitors to a specific page, like your shop or a subscription form. Customizing the content is key to ensuring your pop-up is effective and engaging for your audience. Once you've finished editing the content, click Save again to confirm all your changes. Saving at this stage ensures that your updated text, fonts, and links are all applied to the pop-up. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully added and customized a promotional pop-up on your Squarespace website. This tool is a great way to communicate important information to your visitors while keeping your design cohesive and professional. If you don't already have a Squarespace account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. So now you know exactly how to create and personalize a pop-up for your website. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.